Good day guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a neck or how to pipe a neck. So first you fold your fabric this way. Make sure it's a perfect let's say V line or what, but make sure there's this there is the elastic part of your fabric. How you get that is by making sure you have this L line on your straight part of the fabric. When you have an L line like this, then you cut it into two like this. But first you must have to measure your neck and be sure that whatever you are folding is up to your neck measurement. So right here, for this neck we'll be taking out 2 1/4 inch, 2 1/4 inch, because of the kind of piping I'm doing here. I have another video on piping that I've done that I did with 2 inches. That one wasn't this pattern, so I'll still drop that in the end screen so you can check it out to view the two of them and know which pattern works best for you. But that one is my favorite actually. That's the one I usually do. Yeah, even though all of them are still good, but that's my favorite. So on this part you just fold about 1/2 inch. You fold about 1/2 inch here, then you fold the remaining part of the neck to meet at the center like this. It's very simple guys, just take your time, make sure you don't rush it. Let the entire allowance be the same thing, then make some places bigger and some places smaller. So as you can see, I've done it right here, and the next point is to put a hemming gum into the neck. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I'll urge you to do so. Subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and like this video for me, so that whenever I post another video you also be notified. Thank you guys. So right here we sprinkle water on the gum. Sprinkling water on hemming gum helps it to hold very well. So whenever you're gumming anything with your hemming gum, make sure you always sprinkle water. So as you can see, after I've done that, the next thing I'll go ahead to do is to fold it just like this, and leaving 0.1 on the other side. That's, you're not folding it exact, your one side will be longer than one, just a little. So this is just how you do it. Make sure if you're dressing this front part, because the small one is the front part, that's what will show on your neck after sewing. That's what will show on the front of the clothes, while the longer part is the one that will be inside. So I would like you to always dress it with a pieces like this. Make sure you don't make the mistake of ironing it directly. So that being said, we'll flip it over to the back side now. Remember I told you you can iron the back directly. So now this is what we'll do on the back. We are stretching the neck, making it to become a circular shape, just this way, a circular shape like this. You don't drag it while doing it, you just bend it, you just turn it. So that's it. This is what it looks like. So you see our neck has already almost given the shape even without sewing. So right here now on the front part of the senator, you just cut out 1 inch, you cut in 1 inch, and then from that 1 inch now we go ahead to slot in our neck. Make sure the neck always gets to the edge of the pipe, because if it doesn't get to the edge, what you end up getting is that your neck measurement will be reduced or it will be altered. So guys, it's an easy process. Just take your time gradually and fix it round. So once more guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I would like you to do so. I also have a WhatsApp group where we discuss fashion and we tackle any style you want to sew that is giving you issues. So I also urge you to join. We have a group of tailors who are there, who can always assist you when you need help. So guys, make sure you click on the link in the description to join the WhatsApp group. Thank you guys. So this being done, we'll go ahead to trim out the excess. And then we'll be doing a top stitch on the front, on the other edge. That's the edge inside the neck. We top stitch around it just like this. After this has been done, I'll be going ahead to do a little artwork on the neck, just a little design that I always enjoy doing, which is to follow it around with a curve. You can do any style you want on your neck. Some people prefer just sewing a straight line at the center, but I prefer mine being a curve at the center. So anyhow you want it, just feel free to play around with it. The basics actually is getting the neck properly fixed. All these ones are extra. So guys, make sure you watch how I iron it, because it's very important. The ironing is just as important as the sewing. So as you can see, I'm done with the sewing. The entire sewing of the neck is completed. So now we'll go ahead to iron it. So right here, you sprinkle water on it. Make sure the water gets to the neck very well, because it is the water that will enable it to lie down as flat as you want. So after it has been soaked, you iron it just this way. Start from your shoulder line and then you gradually come into the neck. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, once more, please try and do so. Subscribe, let this community, let us grow. I want to have more tailors like you here. As you can see, what we are doing here is not bad. We are all helping ourselves to grow. So guys, join the channel, and there are other sewing videos on this channel. You can do well to do so. We have hundreds of videos. on sewing that will make you to master your work. So guys, I would like you to watch all of them. We have the Sapphire series, the cutting of Sapphire, everything about Sapphire is there. So guys, go to the channel and enjoy yourself. I'll see you in the next video.